Welcome to our channel. Have you ever noticed how music seems to weave magic, making things easier to remember? Like charms in the wizarding world, melodies have a way of making things stick. Today, we're going to show you how to harness that very magic to learn English. It's fun, effective, and especially helpful if you're just starting out. Ready to discover the enchantment of learning English through music? Let's get started. Think of how house elves are always surrounded by magic, even if they don't always realize it. That's what it's like to immerse yourself in English songs. Start by listening to them every single day. Even if it's just in the background while you're doing other things, this constant exposure works wonders. It helps you get used to the natural rhythm and flow of the language, almost like you're training your ears to hear it in a new way. Trust me, it's like magic, but without the wands and spells. Now imagine you're at a wizarding duel. You wouldn't just stand there silently, would you? No, you'd practice your spells and incantations. Learning a language is quite similar. Find the lyrics of your favorite English songs online and sing along. Don't worry if you don't know all the words at first, just have fun with it. Singing along helps you practice your pronunciation and fluency in a way that feels natural and, dare I say, magical. Think of pronunciation and accent like mastering a tricky potion. You need to pay close attention to the ingredients and how they're combined. Listen closely to how native speakers pronounce words in the songs you enjoy. What do you notice about the way they shape their mouths? Where do they place their tongue? Try to mimic their accent. It might feel strange at first, but it will make your English sound much more natural and authentic over time. Just as Hermione relies on her trusty textbooks, we have a modern-day equivalent apps and websites. There are so many fantastic resources available that provide lyrics and translations for countless English songs. Think of these apps and websites as your very own language spellbooks. They can help you unlock the meaning behind the words you're singing, giving you a deeper understanding of the language and the culture it reflects. Remember how much we cherished our favorite books at Hogwarts, the ones we'd read over and over again? That's the power of creating a playlist of your favorite English songs. Fill it with songs you absolutely love, songs that make you want to sing and dance. This personalized playlist will keep you motivated to practice and make learning English feel less like a chore and more like a delightful escape into a world of music. Thanks for watching. I hope you feel inspired to embark on your own English learning adventure through music. Remember, just like magic, language learning takes time and practice. So be patient with yourself, have fun, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every fumble is a chance to learn and grow. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more enchanting tips on learning English. Until next time, keep the music playing and the learning journey alive.